in integrator Dima channel, and we continue our learning of the JavaScript and comparing it to Python. So let's start with logical operators today, and I asked ChatGPT to prepare the list of the most common, and we will try to use it. So here is the list of logical operators. So let's start from and in both languages. So let's say const user name is equal to empty, const like age is equal to something, and in this case console log, let's say if user name and age, then we show that we have both. Console log age and name are known, and else something missing, something is missing. So let's go to this directory and execute node JS file. So something is missing, so this is how we check and if I add like a name or like real name, yeah, now age and name are known. Second logical operator or, so this is a mistake. Let's check it like this. So it works like this: if something age or name is known, so in this case it will check it. In this case it will be just nothing, because yeah, if any of this exists, or this or that, we show this first execute first condition. Okay, but if both of them are empty or null, yeah, we have nothing. So let's see how it works in Python. User name is equal to Dima, and again my mistake of like clicking the wrong button. Age 30. Let's try like this. Now if username or age, let's start with and age, print both exist, or if we say else, print not both of them. So let's run it like this. So both exist, and now if this will be an empty, not both of them, as well as or like any, both or any, and this will be not both or any of it exist, both or any. Okay, and now let's try this one, not both of them or any. So yeah, you can see how it works. Let's check some more, like not and equal. So let's say if username is not Dima, Okay, so executing it here, like in this case it's empty, so not Dima, and comparing with the real value Dima, and also this one will work as well. Usually the difference is that we compare like a value and a type, so maybe in case if we compare something like true and string that has true value, in this case it will matter, but usually I recommend in JS just to use it like this. Okay, so and in Python, how do we use not? So let's say username Dima. If username, if not username, if that's correct, yeah, not username is equal to Dima, not Dima, it's Dima. Let's try this one. Okay, running it here, it's Dima, and something else, not Dima. Cool. And yeah, so the rest, like greater than, less than, greater, equal, less or equal, works pretty similar, so no need to compare them. And you see equally is just two equal signs, so checks if values are equal. And yeah, that was the common examples of logical operators in JS and Python. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.